What is up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Mackenzie. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So today's video is going to be super exciting because look what I got. So Matt from over at Gryphon was kind enough to reach out and send over their Zephyr and their glass cutter. So ever since he sent these over to me, I've been absolutely dying to just open them up, take a look at everything and see what it's all about. Plus, you guys know me, I talk a lot, so just getting through the basics and directions of these things is probably going to take a little bit. So in today's video, we're going to open them up. I'm just going to give you guys my total first impressions on the Zephyr and the Gryphon glass cutter. Then in a following video, we will actually deep dive into them and test out both of these products. So if my first impressions of the Zephyr and the Gryphon glass cutter sound like something you guys are into, let's get started. I'm so excited. It's literally 8 at night, but I can't wait any longer. I need to see what it looks like now. So before we open this box up, I just wanted to quickly note on the outside everything it says. So obviously it has the Gryphon symbol, the Zephyr ring saw. It says the fastest, easiest, quietest way to cut any hard materials such as glass, tile, rock, ceramics, composites, and non-ferrous metals. Use it as a table saw or handheld saw for added versatility. The large, longer lasting round diamond blade cuts in any direction, allowing you to make very intricate cuts. And you can see when you hold it in the handheld, there's literally a handle on the top of this thing to use it in that handheld version. I'll show you guys once we have it out of the box. This thing is so cool. Okay, I am so excited to crack into this thing, you guys. You have no idea. I've only had this thing for a couple days, but look, I haven't even broke the tape. I haven't even peeked at this thing yet. Before we get started, I want to again say a huge thank you to Matt Wolf over at Gryphon for reaching out and sending these over. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my God, this is big. This is really big. Important, read first. So I think this is important to read, especially because recently I've done a grinder care video. So it says right here, you should open the covers and inspect the working parts on a regular basis, clean out any sediment that is accumulated and rinse the inside with fresh water. And then it goes into a little bit more detail on care, but I won't bore you guys with that because of course, if you buy this machine, you will get that care instruction as well. So you got the important read first instructions. Then you have this nice Gryphon packet, which has all of their best machines and tools. You also get this Gryphon Zephyr ring saw instructions, safety considerations, warranty, changing the blade. Love that. Okay, so here we've got a blade and it looks like a blade and a shield. Then it looks like we have a wrench and some rubber inserts as well as a fuse and a little Allen head. I wonder if these are extras. Let's see. Then we have the huge grid. I'm pretty sure this is larger than the Taurus ring saw. Look at, a blade is already in there. So that's right, it says it on the outside of the box. Second diamond blade maintenance kit. So we get an entire extra maintenance kit and an entire extra blade with this. That's fantastic. Here she is. Wow. Here's our basin. Here's the actual ring saw. Look at that. Can you guys see that right there? A perfect visible water level mark. Do you see that? Has the water level mark imprinted into the plastic itself, unlike the Taurus ring saw, which has completely eliminated the waterline sticker for some reason. Having that in the plastic, clear as day, is a huge plus to me. And this already makes me like this one more than the other one, which is unfortunate, but I cannot wrap my head around why they would eliminate the waterline sticker. That's so important. Oh, did you see how easy that was? That is so much easier. That's it. It literally just sits in place. That is 50 times easier than the Taurus ring saw. Love that. Okay, so I didn't even need to read the directions. I know how to just sit it right inside. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the grid. Cool. Look how nice that looks, you guys. All right, so before we do anything else, let's just open up the directions and see what they say. Awesome. Okay, so not only do they tell you what everything is called, but each one goes into specific detail on what they do. It's so much easier to get to know a machine when you know every little part and what it's doing. They're telling you what each individual part is doing for the machine, which is fantastic. Again, I won't bore you guys with those specific details, because if you buy this piece, you will get these directions and you'll get to read it yourself. This plug right here is only to be used when this is going to be used as a handheld. If we have it in normal table mode, we need to take that plug off. It says never run the saw in table mode with the water plug installed. Work surface on the base, plug in the saw, and you are ready to cut. So you have backup everything. This is fantastic. I love that. So this thing comes completely set and ready to go. All you have to do is set it up, take that plug off, fill it up with water, and you're good to go. This is fantastic. All of those extra pieces, like I always say, you guys, those are the little things that mean so much to me, because those are the little details that you can tell when this product was being created, time was taken. Those little things are what matters. And like I always say, again, guys, make sure you hold on to all of this stuff, hold on to the directions, because why? They are the best people to tell you how to take care of this machine. So getting rid of the directions doesn't make sense. Always keep this stuff. I like this face shield. This is a nice face shield. It doesn't feel like it's gonna snap when I put that on. So that's different. So can you guys see that hole inside the handheld? We're gonna dump water in there if we were to use this as a handheld. Pour water into the small opening in the saw unit as shown in figure 4. This will fill the small reservoir that allows the blade to remain wet while cutting. Super, super cool, you guys. Super cool. I'm so excited to try this. I want to try it right now. Okay, so before I keep talking about this, let's open up that glass cutter and just take a quick look at it, because the handle of that glass cutter is unlike anything I've ever seen. Alrighty guys, so I do want to take just a really quick look at this glass cutter. So this is the Studio Glass Cutter by Gryphon, and as you can tell just by quickly looking at this thing, you can see that the handle is unlike any other handle. I'm really excited to just hold it and see what it feels like. So let's open this up and then we'll wrap this video up. Ooh, look it. There's a little oil bottle that it comes with. Wow. Whoa. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow, that feels really nice too. Ooh, look what color the tip is, you guys. It's black. Love it. And it's purple. Guys, it's my 2 favorite colors recently. Purple. It's not ugly blue plastic. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, that feels wicked nice. The curve of that tip, I don't think I've ever seen a glass cutter like that. Are you guys seeing that okay? It's crazy curved on the bottom. That is so interesting. Wow, this feels really good, and I can comfortably make a fist with this. So even with my nails, I can fully grab this thing how you're supposed to and use it the right way. Cool. And I don't know if you guys can see through that plastic. Look, there's a tube all the way down. And we'll read the directions really quick because it talks about the oil. So you guys know me, I dip all of my glass cutters in oil, but this, it says a really comfortable glass cutter with a cutting reservoir that doesn't leak. So we're obviously going to put that to the test, but not in today's video. I think we are just about done with today's video. So number 1, this glass cutter feels and looks super, super nice. I'm so excited to try a different kind of glass cutter. I really want to get into using a pistol grip just for the sake of my wrists and my hands, and I think having a really, really nice one like this is definitely going to help me do that. So in my next video, we are definitely going to put this to the test. Super excited about that, and love that it comes with a little oil bottle. Okay, and for the Studio Gryphon glass cutter, you can see right on their website, it is $24.95, and you can get a replacement head for $9. I will always suggest that if you're going to buy the glass cutter, just buy a replacement head at the same time if you can afford it. It's just easier to get it and always just have one on stock, ready to go. So the glass cutter is $24.95, replacement head is $9. And as for this, the Zephyr diamond ring saw is $410, and it tells you everything you need to know about the ring saw. Like I said, guys, I'm totally impressed. I'm really, really impressed with this thing. The super clear, concise, quick, and straight to the point directions, the very visible and easy to understand pictures and graphs in the directions. So especially with a recent tool that I tested out, I think a lot of the time, and I don't want to sound rude, but because stained glass is a little bit of an older art, I think a lot of these tools or machines that come out, sometimes the directions can just be really, really old, outdated, and bad. So it's super nice, super refreshing to just get clear, straight to the point directions and all of the extra stuff. So even just this extra little printed out paper that tells you when to check the working parts and all of that stuff. These are the little things that matter to me most. And again, this thing comes ready to use, guys, but still, it comes with all of this extra stuff. It comes with the extra wheels, the extra fuse, the extra covers if you want to use it as the handheld, the Allen wrench, the regular wrench, and it comes with an extra blade. These blades are not cheap. This is a huge plus for me. Huge, huge, huge plus to see how it performs. And now that I have this, we can put it to a head-to-head test with the Taurus ring saw, which I'm super excited for as well. I'm already leaning towards one. I'm trying to be unbiased, but I mean, it's purple. It's so easy to take in and out. It has a clear marked water line, clear everything. I'm super excited. And I'm super excited for this. This is just a glass cutter, but I think I've told you guys this before. I have a weird thing for clear plastic, especially a colored clear plastic, and the color of this one is so pretty. It's not blue, it's not purple. I'm obsessed. Yes, it's just a glass cutter, but I can't wait to use it. It feels so satisfying to be able to grip it like this. And again, having nails like this, being able to make a fist around tools is not a thing for me. So this, I'm super pumped for. And that crazy curved head, yeah, just a glass cutter, but this is, I think, is going to be really interesting to use too. So anyway, I think that's it for today's video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be testing both of these tools out in the very near future. I'm still on vacation, so I'll be back in a couple of days. Don't forget to like this video if you did. I'm going to link everything down below. I will link Gryphon. I will link, of course, all of these specific tools. They won't be affiliate links. I'll just link it to make it easier for you guys. If you want to check out my stained glass work and my stained glass business, that will be linked down below too. And if not, see you guys next time. Bye. I am sweating.